Hey there, we're in the lab with mate JJ. Today is electronics project day. We're going to be doing a very simple electronics project. My silly job title for today is Craig Entertainer. Today I'm the Craig Entertainer. Haven't heard from Craig for a while. Hope he's doing well. I have a feeling that I'm in his junk folder. Sent him an email the other day. Just haven't heard from him for a while. Hope you're doing well, Craig. So, yeah, what I'm doing is some experimentation. I'm using my many multimeters in anger. I'm trying to get a bunch of concurrent current and voltage readings from a circuit I'm playing around with. And I have enough multimeters, but I don't have enough cables for the multimeters. So I've got 7 connected. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 5 more meters, but I don't have cables for 5 more meters. So what we're going to be doing today is making some cables for the multimeters. They're going to be banana plug on one end, a banana jack, and on the other end, female DuPont, which will of course clip onto pin header on the circuit board. We're going to be making 4 sets of cables with these banana cables. So we'll cut them in half, and then we'll have 4 red and 4 black, which means we can connect 4 more devices to multimeters and the pin header or the female DuPont. So might as well throw over to the bench. And then we'll put this thing together, and that'll be that. So let me take it over to the bench. All right, so here we are on the bench, and as you can see, I've got all of these multimeters set up, but I ran out of cables, so we're going to be making a whole heap more of these cables. So let me put this away. I'll be back in a sec. All right, so I got that stuff all cleared up. Now we're going to build our cables. We'll do all 4 of them, and then we'll test them all at the end. So let's do it. All right. So all of our cables are made. This is them. I suppose it would be prudent to give them all a bit of a test. So I'll do that now quickly. All right. Well, all the cables are tested and put away. So I'll throw over to the farewell pin. We'll wrap up. And that's a wrap. So yeah, just a little housekeeping job today. A couple of cables. They're all filed away over the back here. I think I'm going to need to get a bigger hook. I'll look into that now, see if I can figure that out. But that's the end of this video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks very much for watching. And please remember to hit like and subscribe.